A long time ago, Corag was doing his daily work for Cupid, until...
Huh?
Hey, you're this love god, right? I heard about you, and I heard you can help with hearts.
Your heart. Your heart! Yeah! You're just in the right place. Follow me, fella. Where do I start? Ooh, yeah, right there. The softest rose petals you can find on the market. Those will make your heart like melt with softening. Or you need maybe the opposite? Thunder. Thunder makes it like strong and powerful. Or like clouds. Clouds can make you feel like you're on cloud 9. Okay, not funny, sorry. Pearls to make it shiny, coffee, making it energetic. Many different spices, butterflies. Butterflies are always a good option. The best, maybe, I think. And I got some more maybe here.
Yeah,
No.
fine.
Maybe this? Can you read? Oh, wait. Sorry. This that kind of reminds me of the saying
There
like
it is.
open love, or like no, love is an open book. Is it like that? Wait, I'm sorry. I'm drifting off here. Excuse me, but like, how about you just